Hey eye catchers, welcome back to another Vlogmas. So I just got off work, just got home. I'm exhausted, but me and husband have been eating out a lot lately. So I said I'm gonna cook dinner tonight and I'm going to show you guys the easiest, quickest, warmest chili recipe. This is what I cook all the time, especially when I want something quick that I know is really good and that we'll have leftovers for lunch or for dinner the next day. So I'm going to show you guys what I do and my secret ingredient that I add. So here we go. So first I get 2 chicken breasts. Sometimes I will get chicken tenders. It just depends on how we feel, and I will boil them. Okay, so while the chicken is boiling, I'm going to cut up my vegetables. Tonight I'm using peppers, onions, and tomatoes. I have added mushrooms and zucchini to this as well, but I just didn't feel like getting those tonight, and the mushrooms I looked at didn't look too good at our grocery store, so I'm just going to use those vegetables, but it's going to be so good. So the chicken just got done, and I'm going to pour in my coconut oil. This is the one I use, and I just pour it into my big pot. So pour that in. And just coat the bottom, and then I'm going to add in my vegetables, and they're all cut up. Alright, so here's the veggies. Got the red onions, 2 peppers, garlic, and then the tomatoes will come last. Okay, and you can hear my vegetables back there sizzling, and while that's going, I'm going to shred my chicken. And the chicken is all combined with the veggies, and I'm going to add in the McCormick white chicken chili. The McCormick white chicken chili seasoning. Now you just want to give that a good stir and get it really incorporated with everything. This is why I don't over season it, because the white chicken chili has its own flavoring. I just enhance the oregano kind of flavor and red pepper. I didn't add any salt because this can have its own salt kick to it, and I don't want to over salt this. And I'm just going to incorporate all that. The chicken's already done, so it's not like I have to cook it anymore. Now I'm going to add in my pinto beans, tomatoes, and we're almost done. So I add in 2 cans of pinto beans. These are the Wegmans brand. They're just from our local food store. You can get Bush's beans, which is what we get a lot too. Any brand you want pinto beans, doesn't matter. I add them with the juice. I do 2 cans. And you guys are not going to believe it. I was so shocked when I tried this. It just happened on mistake. I was at home making some chili and I was like, it's missing something. I want to try something new. And guess what I added? Cinnamon. This is roasted cinnamon by McCormick. You can add any kind of cinnamon, it doesn't matter. There's, ground cinnamon. Maybe you can add cinnamon sticks. I have cinnamon sticks. Maybe I'll try that next time. Do just a little bit. Do like 2 taps. And it's just something about it. It brings out like a nutty flavor, a little more to the savoriness of it. It doesn't make it sweet or anything, but it's just so good. And I tried it and I was like, oh yeah, this is it. So I'm going to mix the cinnamon in, put the top one, let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and it'll be time to eat. Alright, and it's all done. I topped mine with a little bit of cheese and sour cream, and it is ready to eat. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this will be a fun recipe that you'll try with your family, friends, yourself, whoever. It's a warm, cozy recipe because I know it's super cold outside. Winter is really here. So snuggle up with this recipe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.